Today we've got multiple early sneakers, including what's shaping up to be like one of the most hyped sneakers this year. And of course we got a ton more. What, you don't believe me? You believe me now? Alright, let's get into this first one. Keep in mind guys, I've been on vacation for a week, so I don't even know what's here. Oh yes, okay. This has gotta be one of the most hated on shoes that I've seen for a while. I gotta see these things in person, man. Wow. They really did this. This right here is the Nike Jacquemus J Force 1. As you can see, it's a pretty significant departure from a regular Air Force 1. Basically got an Air Force 1 upper just without the Nike swoosh. You just got that tiny little silver one on the side. And then the leather is way softer. Like, take a look at that. Floppy and soft. Like, damn, you could probably wear them like that as a slip-on. The upper is just woven to this very bizarre flat midsole, which, if you look at it, just almost seems like a bunch of slabs of rubber stuck together. They look way wider than a regular pair of Air Forces. Let me know what you think of these down in the comment section. They also dropped an all over black pair, but let's keep it moving. All right, we got a bag over here. Oh yeah, we got a sleeve. Oh, look at that box. They killed it with the presentation. It feels super nice. You've got a little dust bag. This is the Adidas Bad Bunny Response CL. I think these were a little bit easier to get. Maybe the hype is dying down a little bit. 3 stripes over the side here, which kind of have a bluish tint, slightly navy tint. Got the Bad Bunny eye back there as well, which was the same on the box. All over this is definitely not the same quality sneaker that you're getting with like the Forums or the Campus sneakers. This is definitely a retro runner, so you're getting kind of some kind of synthetic material over top and then some wide base mesh material. But for the price, this is a solid looking pair of shoes. I'm gonna try these things out, see how comfortable they are, and see if this is another Bad Bunny hit, because I was a huge fan of the Forums and a huge fan of the Campuses. So let's see if I'm a fan of this one too. All right, we got another Nike box. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, okay. These released right before I left on vacation as well. So we got an all over elephant print box. Okay, here we go. The Jordan 1 Low Black Cement. Oh, and you also get an extra pair of laces, which is all over lightish gray, which actually is pretty cool. You know what? These are actually not too bad. I don't mind it. I think the black base actually contrasts a little bit better with this elephant print. Like if you remember on the Jordan 1 High white cement pair where they had all over elephant print with the white base leather, that just made it seem a little bit louder, whereas this kind of tones it down a little bit, and I think the contrast is actually quite welcome. You also get an aged or sale midsole, which I think is pretty nice, a gray outsole. Jordan brand in 2023 is really on the Jordan 3 agenda, so they're chucking a bunch of Jordan 3 colorways on Jordan 1s, whether it's the highs or the lows. We've got some really nice colorways on the low in a couple months, so those are going to be more of my priority. But if you're looking for a solid pair of 1 lows, this is not bad. All right, this is a pair that I definitely know what it is, because I had to spend a freaking fortune on buying them. Very nice feeling New Balance box. Oof, look at that. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, these things are not bad at all. Why do I like this colorway so much? I did not expect that. It's so crazy and all over the place, and there's a lot of colors on here, but they kind of work. Surely we get extra laces for the freaking price tag. Wow, no extra laces on these things. That's surprising. In terms of the sneaker itself, I mean, listen, we're talking about a New Balance collaboration. This feels insanely nice in hand. It feels very premium. Freaking suede is super, super nice. And you've even got some louder colors on the bottom, a mixture of gum and this kind of, I don't know, very light sky blue color. This is definitely my favorite colorway from the 2 that we've seen so far. 990 V6 model is incredibly comfortable. It's a solid pair of New Balances. It's definitely more on the pricey side. Like, even these things for retail are expensive, and then when you look at the resale market, yeah, it's pretty crazy. These things are reselling for a ton of money. Let me know down in the comment section what you think of these, and if you were one of the lucky very few to manage to get these things for retail. All right, let's take a quick sneaker break and see what's in this box. Man, this guy freaking nails his stuff. Let me show you what's inside. Damn, he sent me 2. What a legend. So these are from my friend Charlie from Winona Kicks. He makes some insanely nice caps. I don't know if you guys have seen me wearing the gray corduroy one before in previous videos. I love the caps that he makes so much. I hit him up and I was like, yo, if you got any more colorways coming out, because I need you to send me some more. And thankfully he did. This is like a really nice burnt orange color, and then of course you got that mocha brown. These are gotta be like the nicest caps I've ever owned. Got this huge patch on the side which looks really cool. If you guys like these things, check him out, Winona Kicks on Instagram. Thank you so much, my man Charlie. These things are insane. All right, let's get back to the sneakers, and this package is actually pretty heavy, so we need to find out what the hell did I buy. God. I forgot I even ordered these. Here they are. You know what these things are. We got another pair, but this one is significantly smaller because it's not my size. It was, it's for my girlfriend, and I don't even think she knows that I bought these things, so let's go surprise her and see if she likes them. Got you a present. I forgot that I even ordered them. This was a pair of shoes that you wanted for a while.
Is it actually a present?
It's actually a present. They're your size. Well, they should be, hopefully. Go on, try them on. I've never seen you wear a pair of Jordan 4s. Listen, if they're too big, I'm not getting you another pair.
Sweetie.
You like this colorway?
Yeah, love the colorway. It's my favorite.
Well, there you have it. She likes them. Might have to change the size. We'll find out. All right, this is a pair that's dropping very, very soon. I think on Monday. I think people are pretty excited about them. A regular Nike box, nothing too special. Nike knows what they're doing, man. Nike knows what they're doing. Wow, this is probably a perfect colorway. This is super, super clean. This is just exactly, I think, what people are going to want. The Cacao Wow Nike Dunk Low with the mocha vibe, the sailed out midsole. These things are nice. That's strange. You even get a little Nike tag, so this pair must be from Asia or already released in Asia. And then even this leather, I feel like has a slight sailness to it. Yeah, so if I compare it to the Pandas, you can see the Cacao Wows are slightly more sail in comparison to the straight up white leather that's on the Pandas. Now, like I said, I think these are going to be dropping on July the 10th. Different regions will be different release dates. And also a question that I was thinking about with this pair of shoes, when did people start loving brown on sneakers? Was that Travis Scott? Did Travis Scott make brown on sneakers super hype? Drop your thoughts down in the comment section. All right, let's get into the final package, something that people just cannot stop talking about. Get hit with that bright blue box. And I freaking love the fact that Jordan 1s are coming with matching boxes, especially on this one. That blue is super nice. Man, I hope the leather is good. I'm not even gonna touch these things. Please, leather be good. Holy, okay. This is the UNC Toe Jordan 1, and guys, look at that. Mission accomplished. That is not bad by any means. The toe box nicely tumbled. You get a UNC blue pair of extra laces. This is such a freaking nice colorway, man. I was just so nervous to hold this pair. If it was trash leather, I was gonna be pretty annoyed. And this shoe has definitely got people talking. I don't know if I would necessarily say it's controversial, but I think a lot of people are trying to guesstimate whether this pair of shoes is going to actually resell for a ton of money or whether it's going to sit. Because recently we've seen so many Jordan 1s sit on shelf, and there's a big rumor going around that this has something like 600,000 pairs. The UNC is definitely going to help this shoe massively. Like, don't get it twisted. Any UNC color on a pair of Jordan 1s usually creates a lot of hype. So I'd be super surprised if they sat on shelf. And in terms of release details, these are dropping on July the 22nd. However, they're actually shock dropping for you guys out in the US today. So I don't know what time this video is going to go live, so if the releases happen, if the shock drop has happened on the Nike Sneakers app, let me know down in the comments if you managed to get a W. But if you did take an L, hopefully we'll have multiple more chances before the actual release date. Either way, guys, that is all the boxes I had. Stay tuned for the review coming tomorrow. In the meantime, check out Nike's new Yeezy slides.